At the end of every month, I like to go over all the pieces of furniture that I painted, refinished, and sold. So in this video, we'll be doing just that. A couple months ago, I picked up this old dresser from Facebook Marketplace for 30 bucks. And recently, this past month, I just finished it. I've been working on it probably for 2 months now. It's taken me way longer than I expected. Here is the end result. I think it looks awesome. I reused the old handles. I spray painted them a matte black. All the drawers are pretty nice for the most part. I am having some problems with this drawer coming out. I've had to do some problem solving. Some of the drawers that lay on the pieces of wood that go this way are sagging. So I figured out how to raise them up a little bit. And the solution that I came up with was using some of those push pins and putting those inside the dressers underneath here and here on each side. But I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this drawer yet. But as of now, I do have this dresser listed up on Facebook Marketplace for $150. I'm gonna work on this dresser later today and figure out more why this drawer is dragging. What do you think? So far, I just have this dresser up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. I haven't really been working on any other pieces. However, I do have this antique credenza right here. I got this back in April or March of this year. I still haven't done anything to it. I'm not sure if I really want to, but if you have any suggestions, comment down below. I think this piece is so awesome. It's got so much history to it. I got it in the Chelsea area in Michigan, around the Chelsea area. It came out of an old house in Royal Oak or Birmingham, and it was in the basement of this really old house. And I just love the history, love how solid it is. Bunch of coins in there. Sturdy, real wood, beautiful piece. Look at that. Looks like it was a workbench though at one point, maybe, based on these holes being here. I love it. It's got so much character. Really, you could put this out in the garage or you could put it in a foyer. It's just awesome. And this level of detail here, so cool. Excuse the mess over here, but here are some of my other furniture pieces. Found this old nightstand out on the curb probably a month ago now. Still haven't done anything to it. And I found this really nice dresser right here about a month ago now as well. Not sure what color to paint it. What do you think? I maybe want to do a white or a black, like chalk paint possibly, or maybe the blue-gray color that I like to do, or maybe even a light yellow or light green. I don't know, I'm all over the place. What do you think? As you can see, I've got quite a few projects going on. Let me know down below what you think about the projects and what colors I should paint them. I do have a couple options in mind, but really I'm just a dude who has very little interior design taste. So let me know what you think down below. If you liked this video and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Every Sunday at 7 p.m. I upload a brand new furniture video, so make sure you subscribe for that. Got lots of projects in the works and more videos to come just like this. So thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and hopefully we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.